Yes, good morning everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great, Monday, start of the week so far. And in this video we'll talk about Bitcoin. We'll talk about, I know the thumbnail is probably something like interest rate update. We'll talk about that briefly as well, because that is what's coming up on Wednesday. I will probably also still make a video just purely focused on that, because in this video we'll just focus on Bitcoin as well, right? So not only on the interest rate. So if you are interested in that, let me know down in the comments. But that's still coming. That's probably coming out like tomorrow or the day after, like on Wednesday, because it's in the evening on Wednesday. But alright, so we'll talk about Bitcoin. We had a relatively bullish / bearish opening yesterday, or at least a bullish / bearish Sunday, which actually happens quite often. Like, we first had that initial bullish momentum, found resistance at 30,350, and now we bounce back to the support level that's held us up for the last 7 days, 29,700. So I'll tell you what I expect. I expect us to be bullish from here. And in this video, we'll go over why I expect that, because there are several reasons. And we'll go over that. And hopefully I don't forget anything, but I don't think so. But before we do that, I do want to grab your attention again to GRAPE, a project I've partnered up with. There's a link down in the description to actually check out the project. It's they're launching a new coin very, very soon. I think it's being listed today, actually. So yeah, I bought this. I think it's a great project. I would definitely recommend you to check it out. And then if you like it, if you think, hey, this project could actually be a gem, which I thought after researching it, then consider buying it. Like I said, there's a link down in the description. You can still buy it at a discount via their site, and they're launching on exchanges very, very soon. But now, onto Bitcoin. All right, so what we're seeing right now is, basically nothing different from the last week. There's basically still this consolidation, which has right now has tightened between 29,700 and 30,350 / 30,400. Doesn't really matter. That's just the area. So the big thing is that we're either going to get a bearish breakout or we're going to get a bullish breakout. All right, that's very simply said, but that's what's going to happen. So then you have to ask yourself, all right, what's most likely? And I think it's more likely to get some sort of a bullish breakout, so that first of all, we can actually get some bullish momentum up to 30,200 and 30,400. And second of all, I also think we can break above that to get at least up to this level right here at 30,800, 30,900. Perhaps getting all the way to the top right here is a little bit too high for now, all right? We are pretty weak, right, still, so perhaps that's a bit too high. But the main reason why I expect this is because I think the whole market structure we have started since the 21st of June, that hasn't been broken yet, all right? And that says that we are consolidating between 31,300 and 29,700, all right? So that would be reason number one why we would return to that upper bound of the consolidation range. Second reason is that I almost forgot this, but now I'm not. Second reason is that resistance is coming up fairly soon for the dollar strength index, which is a weird thing to say since it's very, very bullish right now. But the dollar strength index is recovering. But in the end, it is probably going to find resistance here between 101.6 and 102. And if the dollar strength index finds resistance, Bitcoin can get some bullish momentum, which is especially significant because this is an economically significant week with the interest rate decision. And I think, and that's the third reason, I think the expectation for that is also relatively bullish, especially for the Federal Reserve press conference, because most of the economic events from the last week for the US have been pointing towards less inflation, all right, which is good because that means that we can start talking about the interest rate dropping, or at least stabilizing and not going up anymore. So yeah, those three reasons are the main reasons why I actually do still expect at least that move up to 30,300 again. Whether from there we can get up to 30,800 or not, it depends a little bit on how we react to that level. So I'll definitely be back with another update on that tomorrow. But for now, I would say that that's expected too. So that's my take on it. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.